Okay, so here we have to expand this logarithm, a base 2 of 16 divided by square root x minus 1. And the way we do this is we use the logarithm law that says that the log of a quotient, division of two things, is equal to the difference of the log. So we take the numerator, place that in a log, base 2 of course, minus the denominator into a different log. And now we can simplify a little bit further. You can write 16 as 2 to the 4th power, and then you can either see that log base 2 of 2 to whatever is equal to that power, right? This represents the power that 2 has to be raised to get the inside, so it's 4. Or you can think of it as being the power law. So I bring down the 4 into the front as a coefficient, and then log base 2 of 2 is 1, right? Log base b of anything, like whether the same thing, that's 1. Similarly, on the other side, I'm going to write this with an exponent. In this case, the square root is the exponent 1/2. So I write that as 1/2. Then I can use the power law, bring that 1/2 into the front. And so now my final answer is 4 minus 1/2 log base 2 of x minus 1. Here's another example that just has a couple variables. We've log base 5 of x squared over y to the 8. Again, how we do this is we recognize that it's the quotient of two things. And so we can write that as the difference of their log. So in other words, it's log base 5 of the numerator, x squared, minus log base 5 of the denominator, y to the 8. And then to simplify it a bit further, we can use the power law to bring those exponents into the front as coefficients.